Here we have various organs in human body. These organs help us to perform certain important processes like the maintenance of our body, the growth, repair of old cells or formation of new cells. These are some processes that keep taking place all the time in our body. And if our body has to sustain these processes, it needs some energy. And where do we get this energy from? We get this energy from the food that we intake. So this process is known as nutrition. So using nutrition, our body gets the food which is required for energy. Now, different cells of the body cannot recognize all the special food particles that we intake. So this food needs to be broken down into some simple substances that the cells and tissues of the body can recognize. So whatever food we take, that has to be broken down into simpler substances. This process is known as digestion. But this is not sufficient because digestion takes place somewhere in our stomach, small intestine and large intestine. But the digested food has to reach various parts of the body. So for that reason we need a transport system. We need some transportation through which this digested food can reach each and every cell of the body. Now, once this food in simple form has reached various cells of the body, these cells of the body have to use up this food to produce energy, and in this process they also need some oxygen. So that oxygen is received by the body by a process called respiration. So through respiration, body takes in oxygen, and with the help of digestion, body breaks down food particles into simpler substances. Now using the digested simple food and the oxygen that it takes in the process of respiration, the cells can produce energy, and this energy can be used by the cell for various processes. So our bodies have specialized cells for different processes. Different cells of the body are performing different functions, and they get this energy by the digested food and by the oxygen that is gained in the process of respiration. Now imagine once these cells have used up all of this food and oxygen, they are also going to release some waste substances in this process. Waste substances like excess water or maybe some nitrogenous waste like urea. So these waste products need to be flushed out of our bodies, and that is done by the process of excretion. So these are some of the processes that are very important for maintaining the living functions of an organism. So all of these processes are known as life processes.